We're the #1 construction management course in the country. In the last 2 out of 3 years, we've ranked #1 with 100% for NSS and 100% in the Delhi survey.
I love the freedom of it, that you get to come up with your own ideas or whatever you want to do, and it makes me feel more free, and that's how I produce better work.
Wouldn't have immediately expected the lecturers to have the background knowledge that they did.
They're very informative. A lot of them have worked in the industry, which is always great because when you're actually getting down to the project, they know what they're going on about and they can talk to you about real life scenarios.
The Solent course is very well accredited. Obviously it's CIAT and BREEAM accredited. You don't just leave with a degree, you leave with professional qualifications as well that puts you ahead of other people who may have done other courses.
We do assignments which you'd have to think about anything that you'd have to cost for in real life, so it helps a lot. So for instance, the one we've just done is a group project, so I've been allocated the commercial role, so I have to do complete build costs, include for any fees which we would have to account for in the real life situation.
Gave me a massive insight on what the construction industry offers, and it's also gave me an insight on various different routes I could take by undertaking this course.
I would recommend coming here. They've got a lot of facilities for construction management specifically, a lot of equipment in terms of surveying, and they cover the course quite well.
I think the best part about Solent is that they're trying to inform you as much as you can of your options and pathways after the course so that you know exactly what you want to do and how you can get there.
So in my first year I've already had 2 opportunities to do work experience which I took up, both in the Southampton area, and I've also got a placement arranged for this summer. The work experience was as an assistant site manager on new halls that are getting built and also a site manager on a new campus at Southampton University.
It's opened up the different routes you can take within construction. I thought being construction management, it would just set me up for a job in management, but you could go on to supervising, surveying, health and safety, sustainability even. Yeah, it leads you down all sorts of routes within the industry really.
The lecturing's really good, they've got a lot of knowledge and the class is quite small, so you've got a lot of time during your lessons to have like one-on-ones and things with them.
It's covered every aspect I wanted to learn on it.
The degree as a whole is widely known in the construction industry, so any employer that I go for an interview with, it's always something I'll use throughout my whole career.
Yeah, I'd recommend the course at Solent because at the forefront of it, all the accreditation, professional qualifications, and the way it's taught, I think you leave Solent with a lot more than just a degree.